Today we're showing you a 2021 John Deere 3025E tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with a John Deere 300E front end loader. The tractor has approximately 140 hours on it. Very nice, clean little tractor. It does have the John Deere style quick attach here for your bucket connection. Tractor is rated at 24 horsepower, so it is horsepower rating is under the requirements for the emission system, so it's none of the Tier 4 emission systems on the tractor. It does come with the balance of the factory warranty. Has extendable 3-point arms back here, which are nice, a nice little addition there. Drawbar and top link are both with the machine. Has a foldable rollover bar. Very nice, clean tractor, as you can see. Looks like the warranty runs into 2027. We do take trades. We also offer financing for qualified customers. We also can arrange delivery here within the U.S. If you have any questions regarding this tractor or any other used machines, please contact us at masttractor.com.